How to reverse debit order on Capitec app. First, you have to open your Capitec app on your device, and then you have to log into your Capitec account. And if you don't have any account on Capitec Bank, then you can simply click create one and link that bank account with your online banking application. Then from the home page, you will find a transfer at the bottom middle. Just simply click on the button. Then you will find the transaction section, and here you will find the debit orders. Simply click on that option. Then you have to enter the PIN that you have added to your Capitec Bank application for security reason. Just enter the PIN number correctly on this blank icon, and then simply click on done button. Then from here you'll find debit orders. Simply tap on it. Now from this page you have to select a reason for reversal. Select a valid reason for the reversal on your Capitec mobile application. That's how you can reverse debit order on Capitec. After you check the amount that you are making reverse on your Capitec account, you must need to check the amount is correct and all the information, double check all the information that are provided in your Capitec application. Then you just need to find out that if the calculated amount is added to your Capitec account or that comes to your account with reverse debit order. It's pretty simple. Hope you got this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.